Dracula's.
Awesome.
It's Dracula's castle.
Drive like 45 minutes.
It's only a 35-minute drive from Dave's house.
So the Zippo factory is in 6 minutes away.
Drive.
By the way, welcome back to another video. Watch this shirt. Oh, great.
Ooh, we might have to go here. Sportsman's Outlet.
Oh, great. Again.
Sportsman's auction, shouldn't we?
They're,
Do we have to pull over?
no, they can pull us. We can pull them
Is
over.
this a parade?
Probably.
Who would have thought we were going to get to see a parade?
I hope this isn't a parade.
That cannot be parade.
People are lined up and...
It's the one serial killer. They caught him.
Yeah, the serial killer, they caught him.
Yeah, you're probably right.
What?
It's probably a retirement for
For real?
Daddy McFarton.
firemen or
Or
something.
somebody's dead.
Yeah,
Either
somebody
that
could have
or...
died. You're right.
I
There's
bet-
the Zippo.
Zippo!
Another
Yeah!
Hey!
That's game over.
I don't know what's going on.
I bet somebody's retiring. They do that all
Got
the
Hell's
time.
Angels coming.
Or it's Cowboy
They
Day.
do that all the time for people
We're not in the way, are we?
Hurry up. We need to
I
go to
don't
the
know, are they
Zippo
turning
factory.
left after they pass us?
Hurry up. We're going to the Zippo factory.
You
Yeah,
should've
hurry
gotten
up,
it.
buddy.
I think we're parked here
I
watching
know.
them.
Hey!
Yeah, they do.
No, how much is that?
Hey!
Emo. It's like we see Mom and
Grace
Marty.
and Roddy are probably in here.
But we see Mom and Marty, bro. They're part of it.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that'd be funny.
They're our age, a lot of them.
Old people riding
Oh my
bikes.
god. Noah's mom just goes past.
That's what I paid
It's like a
for.
grandma.
I graduated with her.
Did you really? I wouldn't be surprised.
Hey, shut up.
It was 1843. I graduated with them. That is mean.
That's right.
That motorcycle's not a motorcycle.
You're young.
Look, look at that motorcycle over there. It's not even a motorcycle.
They're still
Yeah.
coming.
It's so fat on the bottom.
It's still a motorcycle if
Man,
it's got
if we'd
2
have left
wheels.
5 minutes earlier, we'd
Well,
have
if it's still a motorcycle if it has 3 wheels.
This is unique. You'll never forget this. The Zippo.
See, that
Look at the
cannot.
dog.
That's
Glasses on. That's cute. Run, run.
Is that even a motorcycle?
no,
We're
it's
from
the new.
Georgia. They think we came all the way from Georgia.
I know they think you're here, Georgia.
Hey, buddy.
Wait, how would they know you're from Georgia?
Is it?
They think that we were all the way from Georgia to watch them. No, we're here for the Zippo.
Utah, right?
Well, something must have happened with the cop back there, bro.
Hey, listen, you should probably sit down and put your seatbelt on, considering we just passed 15 cops.
I've had mine on.
They're still coming.
He's yours.
Oh my
How
God.
many more? They just keep coming in line.
Where do you think
Look,
they came from?
guys, look, they're just coming from
I
there.
know
They
they're
just
not
keep
all from
coming.
Pennsylvania. There's not that many people with motorcycles in
You
Pennsylvania.
don't know that. How do you know
Pennsylvania is just a small
that?
place. No,
Live in the-
wait, what if they're all Dracula? Dracula's little servants.
Wait, how would they know?
She's
we were
taken, guys. Keep
Are
going.
you serious? I just said sit
How
down
would
and
they
you
know
can
we were from
cross
Georgia?
the
I'm
road.
gonna come around with a bucket.
Hated
The
that.
whole time.
Yeah, just.
Hey, are you sure we can go?
No.
No, they're probably gonna be some moron going
There's still more
4,000 miles per hour.
Mile to the Zippo Cave visitor.
Yeah! Need myself some Zippo fluid. A hoodie.
Right.
Zippo.
Drive with the Zippo lighter.
There you go. Fire up that fag with a Zippo. You know, that's what they call cigarettes in England. Fag.
Yeah, in
thanks.
the UK.
She is a beauty.
You're rude.
No.
Oh, there's more motorcycles. Do they
probably the old
They
people.
probably went to the museum too.
Oh,
Zippo Drive is where we're going.
oh, and there's a
Watch us
car.
go to the museum and they don't sell anything.
I'd be mad and sad and depressed and sad and mad
Tell them, hey, the
and depressed
motorcycles
and
went
sad.
that way.
Anyways, they're probably old.
Bigger than the business.
Hurry up! I need my Zippos.
Here, no.
I seen this all over the web, Grandma.
Are you going there?
Grandma, I've been searching these up so many times
Show him.
since Dad told me. Oh, case knives are
All
cool.
he talks about is case knives.
Yeah, just in case you need to cut some rope and burn it.
Right on
Yeah.
the left.
Wait, do you
Just
think they
in case
sell?
I need to cut some rope.
Wait, should I ask if they sell Zippo? No, should I be like, should I call the Zippo manufacturing and be like, do you guys sell like, have you ever heard of Zippo? This is gonna be like 20 minutes, so sorry. Oh my gosh.
You know what you look like right now?
I'm a cowboy.
Dick, you know what you look like with them shorts on?
What?
Cigarette.
I'm a Sig. How fast do you think the tires will burn? Is that a Zippo? Bo. 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 Oh, that's a case car. Bro, is that a Zippo?
Yeah.
Let's see how fast the tires burn.
Oh, hey,
Zippos.
a whole year.
No, I've been waiting more than a year.
It's been like 2 months.
There's no Zippos in it. Ew, this place is nasty. It smells like cheeseburger. Like, really.
Who is that?
Hello. It's time for a video. Sorry, I need a video. I got some old stuff, some new stuff. First, we have got my box. The big box. Chicken peas. I'm on collector now, I guess. Happy birthday to me. It's not really my birthday. On video unboxing this crap. I put the top on because I just wanted to. Oh my god. This is the glass that can hold it all. That's everything. Old. So we're not filling anything up with Zippo fluid because then I cannot take it home. Yep. Then we got the flints to fix this one because its flints are just messed up. I already opened all this stuff, but I'm just gonna redo it. So yeah. And with this one, let's open this one first. Cause let's get it up. So it's a case knife. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. I've opened this so many times. It's a collector's item, so I didn't show that much, but it was just for fun. It's a collector's item, so it can just fold on you. I need a knife because I lost mine in a cornfield. It's very nice. It was like $40. It was good. Yeah. I like the design. It says so Buster. But so if you wear this in too much and you like fold it down like this, if you're cutting something and say you went backwards and your hand were like that, it off all your fingers. So.
You make the
This is leather. Perfect belt clip. It came with a Zippo, actually. I don't know how
Are
it
you
works.
eating your chicken?
Yeah, I'm just showing off all this stuff. I'm gonna throw these all away, except for this stuff. I guess, because I don't want to ruin it. This is my favorite thing in the world.
What's he looking for?
Perfect fit.
Yeah, that's all of it.
And just pop, pop, and we will drop. I'm like, oh really? It's so weird. So this made me cry. It's a Labrador. I love labs. And it kind of looks like Zippy, that's why I got it. Hey, hello myself. Look at it.
Where's the other cheese, guys?
It's Zippy. And I got a premium box. So. Wing, wing, ding. And we're fixing one at the house. So. Let's open her up. With my case knife.
Gotta get that in there.
Beep. Ba-beep. They just pretty much put tape on it. They don't do anything else. I haven't opened this one yet. So there was a 41. There's a $50 one that just holded 10. That just holded 10. No, 8. And it was $50, and it's a carry, I guess. Way much more, like better wood, glass, and it was only like $30. Oh yeah, Zippo. I've been waiting for like a year for this. Let's take her out. This is the best feeling ever. Okay, here we go.
No, this is what I said. David never had a kid here. He never on that boat.
Yeah. I don't want to shatter all the glass in it. Like that. Look at it.
I grabbed corn on the cob too.
Okay. Ooh. So I'm putting away my Zippo.
Get all
for
your
the night.
stuff, Dirk?
Yes. So let me put it in. Ooh. It could still fall out. It doesn't clip in, but oh, my puppy. My puppy's next. This holds 10, I believe. The puppy closed.
I need you to eat.
I will. And then we got this
Oh,
one.
you're having a good time.
Yes. And we got one at my house that we're gonna fix up. Well, I'm gonna fix up because I'm gonna Playboy. Bleeping that out. So.
I knew it too.
Here, let me bleep it out. Ouch. That kind of hurted.
Because I don't know where to put it. No, he doesn't.
Now,
And I should have bought onions.
I can.
I asked Gary.
I can
I asked somebody if we had.
put fluid in one.
And we did, but we just
But I
been
cannot
eating
ship
like
it.
an onion
It's
a
the
night.
fluid.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.